In this tutorial you will learn about shop status. Link name, shop status. This option is for enabling and disabling your shop. Click on shop status. (1) Shop disable. To disable your shop, click here to disable your shop now button. After disabling your shop, you will not receive any order from customers. If there is any orders before disabling your shop, then you need to confirm the orders before or after disabling your shop. The confirmed orders should be delivered to the pickup executive.